Hi friends, good evening and welcome back to my channel Mookambika Nursing. Friends, through my channel daily we are seeing some important points for exam. Let's see today's important point. First one, the gland which secretes tears is lacrimal gland. And the next point, the gland which secretes both enzymes and hormone is pancreas. That is, pancreas is both exocrine and endocrine gland. And the very next point is the gland which eliminates excess heat from the body is sweat gland. And the next point, the gland which accumulates iodine is thyroid gland. And the next point, the gland which the gland which situated over the kidney is adrenal gland, that is just above the kidney. And the gland which produces thymosin is thymus gland. And the next point, largest gland in the body is liver. And the hormone produces on fear, that is fearful situation, the hormone production is adrenaline. And the emergency hormone is adrenaline. And the hormone raises the heartbeat and blood pressure is also adrenaline. And the next point, the deficiency of iodine causes goiter, and the deficiency of insulin results in diabetes mellitus. And the next point, the cell responsible for bone formation is osteoblast. And the next point, the seventh cervical vertebra is otherwise known as vertebra prominens, that is seventh cervical vertebra. The next point, the bodies of adjacent vertebrae are separated by intervertebral disc, that is the vertebrae are separated by intervertebral disc. And the next point, central core of soft gelatinous material of intervertebral disc is called nucleus pulpus. And the next point, tip of the breastbone is called a xiphoid process. And the next point, the lowest two pair of rib is otherwise called a floating rib. Lowest two pair of rib. And the next point, the bone of shoulder girdle is two scapula and two clavicle. And collar bone is called clavicle. Bone of shoulder girdle, two scapula and two clavicle. And the bone referred as shoulder blade, that is backbone is scapula. And the bone of upper arm is called the humerus. And the next point, two bone of lower arm is called ulna and radius. How many wrist bones in each wrist? There are 8 bones in each wrist, and bones of the hands are referred as metacarpal bone.